even to open a branch, get their concurrence. It is in this area where we suggest, today we are only suggesting and trying to goad these companies that apart from the metros and tier 1 cities, you also go to the other areas. This is where when the general insurance companies came with the idea of opening micro offices, single man offices, we felt that that should be allowed to be open everywhere across the country without much prescriptions, except that it should be properly handled and the policy issuance records should be regulated and delivered, and the customer service should be ensured through a immediate supervisory office. This is how we did it. On the rural obligatory thing, we have a proposal which is coming up in the proposed amendment to the Insurance Act, which is before the Parliament. We have proposed that certain some sort of a quota that they have to do this much of their total business mix should come from these segments, like the rural social sectors, which is already there, which is an improvement on that, including the motor third party insurances should be done, so that we see that the mandated provisions as well as the compliances are done. I think over a period, this is what I think is going to happen. The Government of India has, as a owner of the four the companies, they have also insisted on these companies that they come out and open the offices in unrepresented areas and don't go only by the business proposition. But it has to be balanced. As a regulator, if you are going to say that, okay, you have to open an office and work it, we will also have to see that this office remains there in that area and services the customers. More than opening, we have lots of compliance requirements when you want to close an office, because we are more worried about that. That if you want to close an office overnight, we don't allow it. We feel that the customers who are already come in there have to be properly tagged in, serviced, and then who will service them, and they should be informed that this office is getting closed, but you will get the service continuously for whatever contracts you have included into that. That is more the concern from the regulator's office. I think we do have some idea to prescribe in the new proposal for modifying the Insurance Act, where certain requirements of these types of areas to be covered will be there.